Welcome back. Today we're going to practice dividing double-digit divisors with compatible numbers. Now, that sentence right there sounded very scary, but I promise it's really not. So, I'm going to start off, and I'm going to look at 2, 5, and 6, as well as looking at numbers 11, 13, and 9. So these are the numbers we're going to explore today in this video. So, number 2 says 287 divided by 42. I can't divide that very easily, not without having a whole lot of extra pieces left over. So, 287 divided by 42. I know 42 is very close to 40. What basic fact with 28 would I need to divide 40 by? Can it stay 28? Yeah, it can. So I'm going to say 280 divided by 40. Well, my basic fact is 28 divided by 4. What is 28 divided by 4? What is 28 divided by 4? You're right. It's 7. So my answer is about 7 because my 10s will cancel each other out. So make sure when you state your answer, you say the word about and then the digit or number that it will be. So about 7. Number 5, 554 divided by 62. I can tell you right now that's not going to divide evenly. But let's look. 62, I'm going to say it's pretty close to 60. Now I'm going to look at the number 55 in 554. 55 is close to what number that 60 can divide by? It's close to 60. You're right. So I'm going to change 554 to 60, but this 4 becomes a 0 because it's no longer needed. I estimated, I rounded. Do you see a basic fact? I do. I see 6 divided by 6. Is that what you see too? Awesome. 6 divided by 6 is 1. My 10 cancels out, but I have a 0 left. So my quotient is about 10. And again, always make sure you say about because we have estimated. Now, 815 divided by 23. I'm going to say 23 is fairly close to 20. So I'm going to say 20. 81. What number is 81 close enough to that can divide by 20? If you're saying 80, you would be correct. And this 5 will become a 0 because I have rounded, I have estimated. So 8 divided by 2 is the basic fact that I see. Do you see that fact too? What is 8 divided by 2? I'm not real sure about that, so I'm going to flip the script. I'm going to use multiplication to check myself. I'm going to start at 2 and go to 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. You're right, it's 4. Now, again, my 10s cancel each other out. I have 1 0 left. So it's about 40. Now, let's look at number 9. Because number 9, they've given me a clue. Number 9, they've given me a clue. 280 divided by, gives me, what do you think 37 will round to? Would it be more compatible to say 280 divided by 30? Does that make sense? Or would it make more sense to say 280 divided by 40? Right, 40. And I know my basic fact is 28 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4 gives me, right, 7. And my 10s cancel out, so about 7. Don't forget your about. All right, last two examples. Ready? 228 divided by 19. I see the number 22 divided by 19. That is the basic facts that I see, but they don't work well. What do you think the 22 will become? Do you think it'll be 20? Yes. The 8 becomes a 0 because it's not necessary anymore. We rounded. 19 will become 20 because that is the one it's closest to. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10s cancel out, so I have a 0 left. So my answer, my quotient, is about 10. All right. Ooh, this one's tricky. But are we going to be scared of it? Do we've got this? Yes, we do. All right, I'm going to start at my divisor first. 83. What do you think 83 is closest to? I'm going to say 90. Would that be correct? No. What do you think is closest to? You're right, it's 80. Now, I see 72. Can 8 divide by 72? Yeah, so I don't really need to change it. I just need to round it down to 7,200. So 72 divided by 8 is 9. My 10s cancel out. I have 1 0 left. So my quotient is about 90. I hope this has helped, and I'll see you guys again really soon. Bye.